Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can learn how to code using only your phone. Have you been wondering if it is possible for you to learn how to code just using your phone? Have you been having excuses that you can't learn how to code because you don't have a computer or a laptop? Today you will see how you can do it just using the phone that you already have. It's just for you to download an application that I'm going to show you, and you will be able to build both front-end and back-end web application. You will be also able to build a full stack application using just your phone. Are you surprised to hear that this is possible? Come, let me go show you. So what I'm introducing you to today is how you can code with your phone. Whether you're using iOS or Android phone, you can download this application and you will be able to build a full stack web application right in your phone. Even though you want to build only server side application or front end application or both of them, you can build it with your phone. So what I want to do now is to show you. So you can open the app. It is called Replit. So you see one of the app here that I have in my folder is called Replit, the down one. So you just click on it and you open it. Everything that you see here are all the servers that I have built that is running in this app, on this app. So you see I have PHP server, I have Python, I have TypeScript. It has a lot of programming languages. So if you click on create project, if you want to create new project, you can see all the projects that you can create with it. You can create HTML, CSS, and JavaScript project. You can create TypeScript project. You can then create programming languages like Python, Node.js, and all the rest of them. So when you click on this view more, you will see all the available languages that you can actually use in this app. This is wonderful, people. This is great. So if you know any of these languages, or if you want to learn any of these languages using only your phone, you can learn it only with your phone. You don't have to have a laptop in order for you to learn programming. So stop saying I can't learn how to code because I don't have a laptop. So this is why I'm showing you this now, so that you don't have any excuse. But I already have a Node.js server running in this application. So I will just click on my server. So if you see this number one, it said Node.js server. So I build it and it is running in this phone. Now my phone, this is my phone. I'm using my phone to do this. So the application is open now. This is the code. So if you can see on the second line of this file, I imported Express. So I can also use JS packages or Python libraries to do anything that I want to do here. So in this file, I'm using Express, which is what we use to build server in Node.js. It is called Express.js. So I imported it and then I build the server. So this is my server. If you see this server, it has a landing page, which is the first file, app.get, the landing page, and it has about me page. Let me show you all the files. So these are the files. This is about me.html, and this is the file that is going to show when I run the server. And this is the index.html, the landing page that is going to show when I run the server. So let me just run the server. So if I click on this run, I'm now running the server, and you're going to see what it's going to show. So the server is running on localhost 3000, and then you will see that I'm running the server. So when I say visit about me page, it will go to about me page. So just like any application that you can build with your computer, this is what I just built with my phone here. So let me just show you guys more thing about this application. So if I go to the last here, you will see that it has shell, it has Git. You can also integrate it with GitHub. It has database. You can run Postgres database here. You can also store secret here. For example, if you click on the secret, if you have any API key that you don't want to make public, you can put the key and put the value here, and you will be able to call this in your application. This is wonderful, guys. And if you go back to this place, if you run this shell, if you see the shell, this is place you can write code, just like you will be writing it on the CLI in your computer, like on your command line interface on your computer. This is how you can be writing code on this interface that you're seeing here now. So it's like the command line on your mobile phone. So when you check this place now, you will see packages. So if you click on the packages, you will see that I already have Express installed. I already have Postgres installed. If I want to install any package again, like let me just say I want to install .msave. which is a package we use for storing secrets. .env save. It go search. It will search for it and say if it finds it. So I'm just gonna okay, it didn't find it. So let me leave it on .env. Let me know if it will find something. So it finds something called .ever. I don't need it, but I just want to show you how you can install it. So if you just click on this plus, it is installing the package. So just give it some time. It's going to install. It said .env was successfully installed to the package.json. So my file also have package.json where all my packages are being installed. So this is wonderful. When you go back again, to the packages, so you will see that you can run databases here. You can run Postgres databases. You can also go to setting and do some other thing. But let me show you something very interesting. When you go to the file place, this is my package.json, just like it will be on your computer. All the packages that I have that is running this application is inside this file. This is not also important. Let me create another page. For now, we have only 2 pages. We have the landing page and the about page. So I want to create contact me page. Let's say I'm creating a web application that also needs contact page. So let me create a contact page so that you will see the process of how I'm going to create that page. So first of all, I will go to my index.html so that I will put a link to that my page. So I'm just going to copy what I already have here, which is the a tag that I already have here. So I'm just going to copy it. So I will just copy the anchor tag so that I don't have to start writing everything. I'll copy it, but I want to put a line break. So I'll just put a line break here, which is BR, how you put a line break on HTML. So I'm just going to close it. And when I go to the next line and paste what I copied, I'm going to rename this one to visit contact page. Contact page. So when I run the server, you will see that the server is going to run, is processing all the files and is going to run, and then I will have 2 links on my landing page. But when I click on the about page, I still navigate to the about page correctly. But when I click on the contact page, because there is no any file that say contact page, I didn't get anything. So what I'm going to do is that there's supposed to be an error. So I'll just stop the server, go back to the file on the index.html. Instead of this /about, I'm going to do /contact. Okay, so I'm telling this server that when I click on this link, you should navigate me to the contact page. I don't have any contact page, so when I run the server and click on it, I'm supposed to see some kind of error. So let me click on the contact page and it will say cannot get /contact. So my server did not find any contact page to navigate to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my server, which is my index.js. My main server is on the index.js. So I go to the index.js. I check how I will copy the about page. I'll just copy everything here, paste it on the second line. I will paste it here and I will change about me to contact. So I'm telling the server, find a file that has contact. When somebody click on that /contact, which is the link that I linked on that my index.html, that he should navigate to a file named contact.html. So when I run the server again, I'm going to stop and I'll run the server again. When I go to the page, I'm still going to see error because there is no file named contact.html. So when I click on it now, I will see an error. It said that no such file. So you see, this is a real server. This is a real server running. So for me to make this thing work, I have to create another file. So for you to create another file, you just have to click on this plus icon here. Then when you click on the plus icon, you put the name of the file that you want to create. This time I want to create contact.html file, and I will say add, and it will create the file. So now I have contact.html. I have contact.html file, and it created it, and I pasted this the contact. Okay, and I just copy the what I have on the about me page here, and I just pasted it on the in the contact me page. So when somebody click on that contact me page, visit contact me page, what the person is going to see is anything that I have in this file. So the contact page is also created by mobile. Let me duplicate this h2 again. Let me not duplicate it. Let me just write another h3 for example here. So I will do h3, and I will close it. So now I have h3. So and this side that h3, I want to write welcome, contact us. You can contact us anytime. So when I stop the server and run it again, it's processing all the files because there are new files, so it's trying to process it. So now I'm on my landing page. When I click on visit about me page, it goes to the about me page. I click on go back home, it goes back to my landing page, and I click on visit contact page. So you see, welcome to contact page. The contact page is also created by mobile, and you can contact us anytime. So you see how I build server on my phone without wasting time. You can spin up Node.js, Python, PHP server in a minute from your phone. This is wonderful. Replit has been what people are using on the browser to test up their application, but they come up with this concept of having this mobile application because they know that there are some people that need to learn programming that can't afford a computer. So if you're one of them that has been given excuse, I don't want to learn how to code because I can't afford a computer, or I don't have money to buy a computer, you, with the phone that you have right now, you can already learn how to code. Stop giving excuses and stop wasting time. Remember to share this video, follow me, comment under the comment section, and tell me what is stopping you from learning how to code. What is stopping you from learning programming? Leave the comment for me. Ask me a question. If you have any question that you want to ask or anything that you want to know, leave the question under the comment and I will answer your question. I will attend to you. Share this video, like the video, follow my page if you're not following. Thank you for listening, and see you in another video.